How do I use ChatGPT to get freelancing jobs? So you want to know how to use ChatGPT to get freelancing jobs? Well, the first surprising fact in the ChatGPT using a most language modeling technique to generate human-like text. Essentially, it predicts a token and randomly replaced with a token owing to its learn the contents and relationship between words. What most people do not know is the ChatGPT model is actually a decoder only transformer, which is quite different from the traditional encoder decoder architecture. This unique design allows to generate text from your uh, efficiency and with a better coherence. Another crucial aspect is that the GPT relies heavily on its massive dataset for text, which includes a huge swath of the internet. This dataset, known as the pile, contain around 800 GB of text data, making ChatGPT language understanding incredibly broad. Now, when it comes to freelancing jobs, one interesting fact in that many companies already use AI code to screen and filter out applicant. This means that having a job, good understanding of how these tools work and give you and edge when applying for jobs online. Surprisingly, ChatGPT can even to be used to generate jobs propo- proposals, resume and cover letter, making it an extremely valuable tool for the freelancer. By leveraging its language generation capabilities, freelancer can create high quality applications that stand out for the crowd. Lastly, but often overlooked is that ChatGPT underlying technology is rooted into the concept of self-supervised learning. What is the models learn from the input data without human annotation. I am a magazine editor and I have used freelancer for more than 20 years. During the typical years, well, I need about 24 freelancer articles. Our pay based on the writer's ability, experience, the difficulty of the articles, and other factor ranges for 50 content of the cents of the $1 a world. We run articles from so well pay on the and articles in other world. We are no, which is what is the best way to get a client of your new by freelancer. Nobody gives a penny until you are at the staff freelancer with the tone of the review. But this is something you can do to get your first project in, as did several time and top many. Let's say a potential client posted a job on a freelancing website. Let's say it's a product uh, packaging jobs. I have never sent a successful pitch, but I have a 10 plus freelancer writing client in under a year of the freelancing. How did I find them? I did not, they found me. I used two platform Medium and LinkedIn to get freelancer writing client while you can certainly pitch client yourself to go via freelancer writing jobs product like clear voice. I really recommended using Medium to get freelancer writing client.